Hello everyone. In this video, we will see a new software named as Alteryx. So in this video, we will see what is basically Alteryx. So Alteryx is basically a data cleaning tool. It is also known as a data blending tool, ETL tool, spatial tool. So if you have typed what is Alteryx in your search engine, I will be using this particular Yahoo. So you will be getting different results. So basically, it's an American software company. You can have its Wikipedia over here. If I have clicked on this particular tab or this particular tab, so I'll get a result over here. So you can directly go to this particular alteryx.com. So it will be giving you information what is basically Alteryx is. So how we have to do different data blending, then how we can do the data cleaning by using this particular tool. So this is a very much helpful tool which we are having. So basically Alteryx helps us in data preparation as well as it is also helping us in analytics. It is basically helping in data science as well as in machine learning and process automation also. So over here you can see this particular data platform. You can take the input data from your desktop, laptop. You can also take the data input from the cloud sources also. So if you want to merge any of the files, so you can merge it by using this particular Alteryx tool. Data blending, that is, you can also merge it. If you want to clean the data, you can use this particular tool. So all in all, you can have this data blending, data preparation, diagnostic reporting, predictive analysis tool. Yes, Alteryx is also known as a predictive analysis tool. It is also known as a spatial analysis tool. Basically, it is also having some data related configuration. Majorly, it is concentrating on the data. So whatever data you are taking at the input, so at the output, it is all will be refined and you will be getting in terms of this particular cases. So it is being shown by this particular diagram. So as it is also known as a predictive analysis tool, so it can do the analysis also, and also it is known as a self-service analytics tool. So all in all, I can take this particular summary, or I can summarize this, because all the information about Alteryx you will be finding at different sources. So I'll be directly taking from the Alteryx website. So it is basically a data cleaning tool, predictive analysis tool, data blending tool, spatial analysis tool, ETL tool, and also self-service analytics tool. So I hope you have understood this particular video. So this was the introduction about Alteryx. And there is one limitation about this particular Alteryx also. So a file up to 1 MB capacity, a file having size of 1 MB, any of the file, it may be Excel, CSV, any of the. So it can only import the file up to 1 MB capacity, only 1 MB size. So that's it for this particular video. Have a nice day.